Hi, this is Pareen this side, founder of MiniWay. Well, I'm come here to actually introduce you all to my 10 months program, which is cognitive stimulation program for your child. Yes, this would be having the entire 10 months material sent across to you, where we would be giving you the entire range of pictorial flashcards and its associated word cards. Now, what is this? This program is basically a research based program where any kid who's 5 months and above can go for this program. We would be basically giving you the 10 titles of flashcards, which would be having the pictorial flashcards as well as its associated word cards. Now, why is this association so important? Well, when we are showing or when we are introducing anything to our child, and when we are having its association happening or association product also shown to the kid, it's very easy for your child to actually think creatively, think out of the box and have the association happen. So whenever your child actually grows up, has certain situation, it becomes very easy for your kid to correlate. Well, I'm sure you would have heard that right brain plays a very important role when the child is infant, a child is just born or at the tender age. This is where we would be showing the pictorial cards and the word cards, where again the word cards would be playing an important role and the child would be grasping the same word in the form of an image. So even before your child has been introduced with the alphabets and would be learning the letters, your child would be able to actually speak out the words when you have the sessions done. So, example, if I show you the picture card of apple. So of course when we see the card, we say that this is an apple. And when I show you the word apple, again it is an apple. So there is a correlation. The image also is an apple, the word also is an apple. So there is an association happening. So that is what we would be developing in this program. We would be working on the child's photographic memory with our the picture cards. We will be working on the vocabulary building with our word cards. We will be working on the association building skills, the sessions. Of course, I will be guiding you ahead how we are supposed to have the sessions done, through which the association building skills will be developed. Noted that association building skills would be long lasting for the lifetime with the child. Also, we will be working on the memory recall development. We would be also working on the child's vocabulary building, child's encyclopedic knowledge, and much more. So have this program and let's get started with the flow of the program. Well, before I take you to the flow of the entire program, how the program will work, I would like to draw your attention back to the benefits, with the detailed benefits, how will it really benefit your child. So this program would work for entire 10 months, where your child would benefit by enhancing the curiosity. It would actually activate the brain cells, the concentration would increase, the focus and attention would increase. The photographic memory with the help of the image cards would really work very well. The recall of memory would be excellent, along with the development of the vocabulary, the creativity skills, the problem solving skills, the right brain development, and much more. Well, so first month we will be introducing, since it's the first month, right? First week we will be introducing the only 6 cards, where this title which we would be introducing would be objects around baby. Along, only the image cards will be introduced for the first month. Image cards, back cards, has the name which is comfortable for a parent to speak out when the flashing has been done, along with the encyclopedic knowledge. Always remember, parent, whenever you are flashing the card, higher the speed, better would be the results. And when you are speaking out the word, always have excitement and enthusiasm in your voice tone, which would make it even more interesting for the baby to focus in what you are showing. Well, so month 1, week 1, first 6 cards. Bowl, spoon, fork, knife, plate, bib. That's it. So likewise, first month, first week, this we will be doing 3 times a day. Next week for the first month, we would be showing the next 6 cards. Third week would be the next 6 cards. Likewise, we would be showing the entire range of picture cards of things around baby in the first month. So we would be showing 24 image cards in the first month. Now, the next month, when we are actually then shifting to the next topic. The next topic which we would be introducing to the baby would be parts of the body. Alright. So here next month we would be, along with the parts of the body, we would be even showing the previous month's cards, that is things around baby. So second month, week 1, we will be showing 6 cards of parts of the body. So this is how it goes. Hair, ear, forehead, eyebrows, eyes. That's it. Alright. So again, the words are there, easy for the parent to read, and the picture for the child to see. Now here, along with these cards, I would be even showing the image cards along with the word cards. Well, along with these cards, that in the second month, first week, we would be also revising these picture cards which we've done in the earlier month, that is things around baby, along with this introducing the new word cards which are associated with these cards. Alright, so there would be this bib, we would be showing plate. Likewise, there would be the word cards which will be introduced, which is there with the objects around baby. Now that is how we will be covering the entire month with the image cards of parts of the body, image cards of things around the baby, and the word cards of things around the baby. Now going to the third month, where we will be introducing fruits. Right. So here we would be showing the entire range of image cards of fruits to the baby for the entire month, along with the last month's, that is parts of the body image cards and parts of the body word cards. Likewise, every month we would be introducing new range, new set of image cards along with the previous month's set of image cards and its associated word cards. That is how we would be working on the entire range, with the entire flow for the next 10 months, and we would be also having the problem solving skills developed along with it. So likewise, we would be having these kind of parental guides which we would be sharing with you, so that you as a parent, it's very easy for you to go with the flow. Easy table is given where it's simply mentioned how you're supposed to go, and of course we would be there anytime whenever you need our support for having the sessions done with your child. So have this program for your child and develop their skills nicely and happily. Happy parenting. Thank you.